If you want a bigger upper chest, you have to focus on exercises that place more emphasis on the area, like an incline bench press or a low to high cable fly, which we'll be going over today. But before we jump in, you guys really have to understand that no variation of a fly is ever going to replace a compound movement when it comes to building muscle. A fly should be seen as an accessory movement that can be used in one of three ways: as a warm-up, as a superset, or as a finisher. Now, how you decide to incorporate this exercise into your workout is totally up to you. My job in this video is to make sure when you do it, you're following the 3 golden rules to perfect form. Golden rule number 1 is you have to pack your shoulders. That's because when you do this exercise, you want to feel your chest pumping up as you bring your hands to the top of the movement. If your shoulders are forward or protracted, you're going to have a hard time both lifting heavy weight and feeling activation in your upper chest as you perform your repetitions. So before you start the movement, just take a second to make sure your shoulders are packed and make sure they stay like that throughout the entire set. Golden rule number 2 is to take a step forward, and this is good for 2 reasons. Number 1, it'll intensify the stretch on your chest at the bottom of the movement. And number 2, you don't want the weight stack hitting every single time you perform a repetition. So by taking a step forward, this is going to ensure that the weights don't touch as you complete your set. Before we get to the final golden rule, if you guys are having a hard time finding exercise form videos, you have to check out my exercise database on my website, muscularstrength.com. Finding new exercises to make your workouts better is as easy as clicking the muscle groups that you want to train. It's also great for those days where maybe you're just bored with your workout and want to try new exercises, or maybe it's a leg day and there's a line at the leg extension machine. So you go to my website, you click on quads, and you find something new. Whatever the case may be, my exercise database has everything that you need. And the third and final golden rule, don't turn this into a biceps exercise. And yes, it has to do with ego lifting. In order to perform this movement correctly and get a full contraction in your chest, you need to keep a slight bend in your elbows throughout the entire range of motion. But when you start to fatigue, or if the weight is too heavy, about halfway up, you start to curl the weight, thinking you're still attacking that upper chest. So, drop the ego to the side, and if you're new to this movement, I recommend starting off very light and just get that mind-muscle connection happening first. If you don't feel like your chest is pumping up as you raise your arms, chances are you're going too heavy. Thanks so much for watching. Before you guys leave, if you could, subscribe, like, and drop a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. That stuff really helps the channel out with momentum. And I know lately YouTube seems to only want to push my videos when I'm covering drama-based content, which is okay, but I really prefer doing the educational stuff and helping you guys reach your goals. And the liking and the sharing and the commenting really helps with that. So thank you so much for tuning in, and as always, more good stuff coming soon. See you guys.